Friday morning video blog time. Here comes the weekend. It's Mother's Day weekend coming up, so let's do a real quick chat about the weather today. Today, so far so good. Ugly weather along the East Coast this morning with pouring rain and cold temperatures over there, but a little bit closer to home, just a few passing fair weather clouds out there this morning. Temperatures are in the upper 40s to around 50 here at 8 a.m., but they're going to rise fairly quickly today. We'll get up to about average later on this afternoon. Those clouds off to our east are going to stay to our east for the most part. Now we'll see a subtle increase this afternoon, some high and mid-level clouds streaming in from the east, but any rain associated with that low off the mid-Atlantic coast is going to stay out across central and eastern parts of the Keystone State. So if you happen to have a trip on I-80 heading east or the PA Turnpike heading east today, you're going to run into the rain there, but here across the valley, we are dry today. Mix of sun and clouds this afternoon. Should be a real nice sunset this evening, a little after 8 o'clock, so we can look forward to that. What about the weekend? We haven't changed much in our forecast ideas here. Here's a look at the NAM model tomorrow morning. We're high and dry. You'll notice a little green here tomorrow morning right around 10 in eastern Ohio. I'm not really buying that. It's just a little bit of cloud cover probably. I think our chances for rain will certainly go up by evening. Here's the NAM idea at 2 p.m. and then 5 p.m. This is when I think the rain's most likely, towards 5, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock tomorrow evening. And the good news is we'll lose this well in time for Mother's Day. This is Mother's Day morning. We're dry. The showers have pushed off to the south. No problems at all for Mother's Day. Storm Prediction Center does have a marginal risk of severe weather from roughly I-70 on south in Ohio and down into Indiana, northern parts of Kentucky as well. No concerns about severe weather here. As far as the hourly chances for rain, they definitely go up in the afternoon. We might even have to adjust this a little bit today, adding maybe a 20% chance as early as 2 o'clock instead of 10%, but certainly whatever the percentage is, the highest odds of rain come 5, 6, 7 o'clock into 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. So if you need to mow the grass, do anything else outdoors tomorrow, most of the day is just fine. Rainfall totals will be generally under 1/4 of an inch through the weekend. And good news in the longer range, not much cool air here. It will be generally near or above average for much of the next 10 days, with Sunday being a little bit on the cool side for Mother's Day despite the sun, only about 63, 64 degrees, and that's a few degrees below the average. All right, thanks for watching this weather briefing on this Friday morning. Jess is in at midday today. I'll see you tonight on 21 News at 6 and 11.